This is our 9x42 Bridgeport 3-axis CNC mill. It's got a 2015 Prototrak SMX control on it. The machine was remanufactured at the same time that the control was retrofitted, and we're going to show you some close-ups of some of the ways to give you an idea of that. First, I'll show you some close-ups. You can see the top of the table has original flake or remanufactured flaking. The knee, same thing. Just going around the machine. The SMX control. At the time of the retrofit, this machine was given an auto lube system, all new lines. It was really professionally done. I'm going to bring it over and show you some stuff on the machine. First, we're in jog mode. I'll move some axes around for you. X, changing direction. Y, changing direction. And Z, down, changing direction. Z also has a pulse generator. If you can see the DRL, you can change that. Now we'll do just a couple moves. Move all three axes at once. You can speed that up. There's three axes of movement at one time. Now I'll turn the head on for you. Changing ranges. This was our 2015 Bridgeport 3-axis mill with Prototrak SMX control. Thank you for watching.